Hey guys, today we are making some creamy cheesy pasta. It's super easy to make and tastes so delicious. Let's get started. Over here we have some chicken breast which we are going to be seasoning with all of these spices and some vegetable oil. They'll all be listed in the description. So I'm putting everything together. You can allow this to sit for some time, but I'm going straight up to just grill it a little in my pan, just as you see right here. I put in some vegetable oil into my pan on fire, and then I put the chicken breast which I seasoned into it bit by bit until I exhausted everything. You can use your chicken thigh and then cut them or debone them until you get something just like this. Now you want to flip this over alternatively until you achieve a golden brown color on both sides or all over the chicken, just as you see in this video. Note that the chicken is washed and cleaned thoroughly before seasoning, so all the seasoning used in the video would be listed in the description. So you want to do well to read the description to get all the details you would need to make this. Now we are taking it from the pan, and then into the same pan let's go in with some vegetable oil, some chopped garlic and onions for flavor. You want to saute the garlic for some time before you introduce your onions. You don't want to add everything all together. You want to build your flavor bit by bit. So you want to saute your onions too for about say 2 minutes before you go ahead to add your next ingredient, and that is going to be our tomato sauce, pasta tomato sauce. Just as you see, every detail will be in the description, so don't forget to read the description. Also, if you do not have the tomato sauce used for the pasta, just use your tomato paste. Your regular tomato paste can just help you achieve these, and you just have to add a little water or your pasta water to loosen it a little so it becomes something like this, and that will be okay. It will also work perfectly. Depending on how bright you want it to be, just add enough tomato. Now I'm going in with my cooking cream, and this cream is the best. It's so good, it's creamy. You can just see from the video that this is creamy and it tastes so good. It just made the pasta so rich. Now that I've achieved all of this, everything has come together. We want to season up a little. Add some salt, some black and white pepper. I introduced some red paprika, like paprika, and then I went in to stir a little before I introduce the cheese after it simmer for some time. You can add enough cheese depending on how cheesy, okay, how creamy and how delicious you want it to be. Like, this amount is just okay for me. At this stage you have already cooked your pasta, and then I'm sure it is done by now. Just let it simmer for some time and then go ahead to introduce your pasta at this stage. Okay, let it simmer. It should simmer. If you need more milk, introduce it. If you have to adjust your salt and introduce your pasta. Make sure your pasta has a little bit of water. Okay, make sure it has a little bit of water to loosen things up a little. Now add everything just as you see and ensure that you mix it very well. If you cook a lot of pasta, do not add everything all at once. Just do it bit by bit until you get everything to your taste. If you add everything, then it means that your pasta might not get all the sauce. Okay, the pasta might be more than the sauce, so you want everything to be uniform, so do it bit by bit. And now we are dishing out this is good. This tastes best. Let me know in the comments if you want to know how I made this chicken look this beautiful. It's so simple, but I'll link it. I'll put that in the description. Okay, so don't worry, you get what I use to coat my chicken very well in the description. If you have barbecue sauce, just go ahead and use your barbecue sauce to just fry it a little in some oil, and then you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I would see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and make sure you click on my playlist to get all the amazing content I have in store for you. Bye, see you soon.